First, read ourselves.
Ventura.
Yes, Satan? Oh, I'm sorry, sir. You sounded like someone else.
You owe me rent.
I'm on a very big case right now. Some rich guy lost it. He's offering a $25,000 reward. As soon as I find this bird, you're paid.
I heard animals this morning scratching around.
I never bring my work home with me, sir.
What's all this pet food for?
Fiber. Want to take a look inside? Come on!
Snoop around.
Are you satisfied?
Don't let me catch you with an animal in here, that's all.
All right. Bye-bye, then.
Loser.